Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to make your text story private on Facebook using the latest update on PC. If you want to share your thoughts and updates without everyone seeing them, this step-by-step guide will show you how to keep your text stories visible only to your friends. First, start by opening Facebook on your computer. Once you're logged in and on your homepage, you'll see the option to create a story. Go ahead and click that to get started. Next, you'll see a few different options for the type of story you can create. For this video, we're focusing on text stories, so click on Create a Text Story. This will open a text box where you can type your message. Now, you can write whatever you like in the box on the left side of the screen. Whether it's an update, a quote, or a fun thought, feel free to express yourself. You also have the option to choose a font style to make your text stand out and give it a personalized look. Once you're happy with your text and font, it's time to set your privacy settings. In the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, you'll see an option called Friends. This is the key to making your story private. By selecting Friends, you're ensuring that only people on your friends list will be able to see your text story. Click Friends to select this option. Once you've chosen Friends, click Save to apply the settings. Finally, to share your text story, click Share to Story, and your post will be shared with your friends only. And that's it. Now you know how to make your text story private on Facebook. It's a great way to control who sees your posts while still sharing them with the people who matter most. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.